How to use spell check in Microsoft Word. This tutorial shows you both the automatic and manual ways to catch typing and grammar errors. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. From there, as you type, look for a red wavy line appearing under misspelled words or a double underline beneath phrases with potential grammar issues. After that, right-click directly on that underlined word. At this point, choose the suggested replacement you prefer from the drop-down. If the word doesn't actually need correcting, you can also click Add to Dictionary or Ignore instead. Following this, for a more thorough manual check, click Editor on the left side of the Home tab. From here, you can also press F7 or click the Review tab, then click Editor in the Proofing group. Give it a moment while Microsoft Editor scans your document for grammar, readability, and conciseness. At this stage, go through the suggestions it provides one by one, accepting the ones you think improve your document. If you'd rather turn off automatic spelling and grammar checking entirely, that's controlled separately. Following this, click File at the top left. From here, click Options. At this stage, click Proofing on the left side of that box. Following this, under When correcting spelling and grammar in Word, toggle Check spelling as you type on or off. From here, toggle Mark grammar errors as you type the same way if you want to control that separately. At this stage, click OK to apply your changes. That's how you use spell check in Microsoft Word.